All right, so today we're here at the Adult Daycare Center. We're gonna give Rhonda her All-Star of the Month award, which we're kind of like 2 months late. We're gonna surprise her, but I think she's walked by the door. Where's she at? But Rhonda's amazing. She does an amazing job. We're gonna celebrate her today. What's going on, Rhonda?
I don't know what is going on. Oh, what do we got going on here? I'm very nervous here.
No, don't be nervous. So I wanted to give you our All-Star of the Month award, which this one's actually for July. So we're a little behind. You truly are an all-star, and you represent just like all the amazing characteristics of someone that is just, you know, a wonderful person for the team, and you know, all the stuff you do for our members and everyone that comes here. So I just want to say thank you for being an all-star. You know, so no, thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, everybody.
We owe you a check, and it's not in there. So cool thing in there that you can use for a weapon, or you can use as something like to, you know, put, you know, to keep it home as a keepsake. You know, so. Your choice. I don't know. So no, thank you, Rhonda, for.
You're welcome. Thank you. I'm so blessed to be able to be a part of all of this, and I love it.
We're blessed to have you.
I love you guys, all of you.
Yeah. Rhonda.
Yes.
Thank you, Rhonda.
Sing.